Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the profile notes and notes showing on Facebook. So if the notes options is missing on your Facebook profile, don't panic, I've got you. So in this simple tutorial, step-by-step video made for beginners, I'll show you exactly how you can fix the problem and get your notes feature back fast and easy. So the Facebook Notes is like a mini blog post you can add to your profile. So it's perfect for long posts, thoughts, or even announcement. But recently, a lot of people notice the Notes feature just disappear. Why? So it's usually because of one of these three things. First, you are using the Facebook app which hide notes. Second, your region or account doesn't have notes activated. Last one, you've never used notes before, so it's hidden by default. So here's the easiest way to fix it. So you can use Facebook in your phone or computer browser, not the app. So here you can open your browser and just open facebook.com. And here on the Facebook browser, you can just tap on the three dots menu and then select desktop site, this one, and just go to your profile, click on more and find notes. Now you should see the notes options. If not, you can move to the next fix. So if the note is still not working, you can try this workaround. So download a Facebook Lite from the Play Store. So open your Play Store and search for Facebook Lite. Okay. Or you can also install an older version of Facebook app from a trusted APK source. But you need to use caution with APK files, so make sure you only download from safe, reliable websites. And if your regions doesn't support notes, you can try this hacks. You can ask a friend who has notes to tag you in one, because sometimes that will trigger the notes options to appear on your account. So if you try everything and notes still won't show, you may be out of luck, because Meta has been slowly phasing out all their features in some areas. You can try using Facebook on desktop or switch to a Facebook page where you can post long updates. And that's how you can fix the Facebook Notes option not showing. Step by step, easy enough for anyone to follow. If this helped, tap like, subscribe, click on the thanks button below. Bye.